I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by detaching the type cover and restarting the Surface Pro for 10 seconds. Doing this refreshes the hardware handshake and clears transient faults. Inspect the keyboard connection pins with a soft cloth for dirt or bent contacts. Reattach firmly until you hear a click and test typing in Notepad. Also check Windows Update and install pending updates before further troubleshooting. Reboots and updates often resolve driver and firmware mismatches quickly and safely for most users. If basic steps fail, open Device Manager and update the keyboard driver manually. Right-click the keyboard device, choose Update Driver, and search automatically. If updating fails, uninstall the keyboard device and reboot to let Windows reinstall it. Next, run the Surface Update tool to install firmware and driver rollups provided by Microsoft. Installing the Surface driver package often fixes connectivity and function problems. After updates, reboot and test the keyboard across multiple apps for consistent results. If software fixes do not work, test a second type cover to isolate the fault. A different keyboard helps determine whether the issue is the tablet or the cover. Try a 2-button shutdown by holding power for 30 seconds, then restart and retest the keyboard. Inspect the magnetic connector and sensors for visible damage before pursuing repair. If problems persist, contact Microsoft support or an authorized repair center to avoid voiding warranties and to get professional diagnostics and parts replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.